In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a Snapchat link to Instagram bio. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process to any device, okay? So the first thing you need to do is log in Snapchat and log into your account. After doing that, you click on this button at the top left corner and click on your photo right here, okay? So click, and after doing that you need to swipe down and click share my profile link. So click on top with this icon and click on copy. So after copying your link, you come again to your main page and come to Instagram. So log on Instagram and log into the account that you want to add the Snapchat link, okay? After doing that, you come to the last option to come to your profile, click add profile, and you will see this option links, okay? Click on top, and if you are using a link, you need to delete this link. So remove the link, and and paste the link that you copied on your Snapchat. So press and paste the link. After doing that, click on this button again, and that's it. You already added your Snapchat link to Instagram bio, okay? I hope I helped you on how to add Snapchat link to Instagram bio. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.